How to make use of DumbDisplay WIFI Bridge. For DumbDisplay connection between Arduino UNO and Android DumbDisplay app mixing serial to Wi-Fi channel. Assuming you already have Arduino IDE and DumbDisplay library installed. Assuming you don't have the most updated DumbDisplay library, and need to reinstall the most updated one. First, you will need to remove the old DumbDisplay library. You do this by physically removing the old DumbDisplay library folder. You can find out where the library folder is by peeking the Arduino IDE preferences. Go to Files, Preferences. The sketchbook location is where the libraries are installed. Open the location, and locate the old DumbDisplay library folder. Just delete it. To install the most updated DumbDisplay library, visit the Arduino DumbDisplay GitHub repository. Click on Code and Download Zip to download the DumbDisplay library zip file. After the download, open Arduino IDE again. Go to Sketch, include Library, add Zip Library, and locate the zip file you just downloaded. Click Open. That's it. You now have the most updated DumbDisplay library installed, and the simple Python program, DumbDisplay WIFI Bridge, comes with the DumbDisplay library. For convenience, you can create a shortcut on your desktop to the program. The Python program file you want the shortcut to point to is DDWifiBridge. If clicking the shortcut doesn't do anything, very likely you don't have Python installed. To install Python, the easiest way is to install it from Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store and search for Python. Once Python is successfully installed, you click on the shortcut again. This time, a dialog box might pop up showing that PySerial is not installed. To install PySerial, you open a command prompt and enter the command pip install PySerial. After installing PySerial, click the shortcut again. This time, the DumbDisplay WIFI Bridge should run successfully. Next, I will show you how you can modify a DumbDisplay library sample into one that will take advantage of DumbDisplay WIFI Bridge for Wi-Fi connection to Android phone. Go to File, Example, and look for the example sketch DDGraphical. Save a copy of it. Then simply modify the code how DumbDisplay object is created. Change it to use DDInputOutput class as shown. And note that the baud rate setting of 57,600. Now upload the modified sketch to Arduino UNO. Once the sketch is uploaded, you can click on the DumbDisplay WIFI shortcut created previously, to bring up the DumbDisplay WIFI Bridge. See that the proper COM is selected, and select the baud 57,600, since 57,600 is what used in the sketch. Now, click Connect. You should see that Arduino UNO is sending hand-shaking messages. It is very important that you note down the IP address used. You will need to enter this IP address to DumbDisplay Android app. And on the Android phone side, bring up the DumbDisplay Android app. Click the Connect button. Click the Add Wi-Fi Device button. Add new Wi-Fi device by entering the IP address shown in the DumbDisplay WIFI Bridge window. Click OK. Finally, click the Wi-Fi device just added to make connection.